YouTube, this is Mersky and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I will be showing to you how I do my DIY ring light. First is your molder. So kinuha ko yung electric fan namin. Then LED light, tripod, and then finally aluminum foil. Okay, so I'm really very excited. So this is how it looks like kapag merong ring light. So let's turn it off. So ayan. Yan yung itsura kapag walang ring light. Tapos okay, so ayan. I'm really very happy sa nagawa naming DIY ring light with the help of my brother. So ayan, I'm really very happy. So just in case mag-film ako ng gabi, mayroon akong lighting. But I'm seeing